sugar glass bottle on top of my head. I am worried about the nose. It's rather large, and I just don't want it to be broken. Good luck, Ty.
This is the plain bottle busting trust shot. You ready, coach? Sure. I told him all he had to do is trust me, and he did.
Ty just got diagnosed with strep throat.
Dad, they don't need to know that. They don't need to know, man. All right, folks, here's the deal. Corey hits this target. Boom! Releases the balloon. I hit it with my airplane before it hits the ceiling. And you're supposed to catch that. Now, gotta go blow up another one. See you guys in 10 minutes. I'm gonna use this here plane to snap that there string. This is a 2-point swisher.
Got a bit of a doozy here for you folks. Ping pong ball on a string will catch the bracket, flip the plane up under, and then pop a balloon with this here toothpick. Let's get after it. Got everyone's favorite mascot rolling around the corner. This is the Panda Pop.
And then there's the confetti to pick up, and it's like, was it worth it? I say we just let Panda pick it up. I agree. Panda, grab a broom. Our research and development team here at Dude Perfect, Tyler, made some quick modifications.
If Kobe throws a good plane, that hush puppy's coming in and landed right here.
As always, when there's a shot that involves putting your life on the line, Ty's somehow volunteered. Just know that if this goes poorly, I probably wished I wouldn't have done it.
Well, due to some unforeseen circumstances, we now have a yellow balloon attached to me.
No! No!
Trust shot on myself. I'm doing a blindfolded balloon buster, which means once I throw it, we're just waiting to hear if it pops. Here we go.
What's up, guys? Team Corey fans may remember that I recently lost my eyebrows. I just want to say thanks for all the encouraging comments. This plane's about to fit through here, apparently. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Dude Perfect Treehouse. You guys may recognize the wood. It's from the old basketball court. Rest in peace. Rage Monster really did its toll. What do you say we do a trick shot from up here, huh? Take the wings off. It's torpedo time. Coming at you, coach.
We had target missile lock on. She is destroyed. Gong, baby.
What's coach do? Is he talking to the GoPro? He's talking to the GoPro.
Gong. She gong. Ah, nice. Cool. See ya. Next shot. Here we go.
This right here is the twisty pop. Check it out. Yeah! What a twisty pop! Nice.
So we made a ring the size of me. This is 6'6" tall. Don't get dizzy, because this is the roly-poly.
Hey, you guys made it!
Welcome back. It's time for a plane reaction shot. Chain reaction shot with the plane. Here we go.
our passengers came to a safe landing.
You guys have seen the loop-de-loop, but we're gonna skip the double loop-de-loop and go straight to the triple loop-de-loop. This is the trip flip.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, click down here so you don't miss out on any new videos. Special thanks to our friends at The Whistle for making this video possible. Click here to watch Dunk League and see who wins the $50,000 prize. For bloopers and more bonus footage, click right here to join the DP squad. Signing off for now. Pound it, Noggin, see ya!